Now we are going to see about lattice energy. So lattice energy of an ionic compound is defined as the amount of energy released when 1 gram mole of a crystal is formed from its gaseous ion of a crystal. So thus here we have given the example as A plus ion, that is the cation combines with the anion B minus in gaseous state with equal ratio, that is 1 mole each, will form AB, a crystal. On that time the energy is released. That energy is called as lattice energy. Now we will see about the Barnlandy equation. The lattice energy of an ionic crystal can calculated from Barnlandy equation, that is U is equal to minus Z plus Z minus E squared AN divided by R naught into 1 minus 1 by N per mole, where Z plus into Z minus is equal to charge of cations and anions, E is electronic charge, N is Avogadro's number, R naught in this equation is interionic exponent. Solvation enthalpy and solubility of ionic compounds. Ionic solids are freely soluble in polar solvents like water and liquid ammonia. The dissolution of an ionic compound in a polar solvent can be explained on the basis of relative values of hydration energy and lattice energy. So the dissolution of an ionic compound in a polar solvent takes place through the following two steps. Step 1, when an ionic solid Mx in solid state is dissolved in a polar solvent, the ionic solid is broken into its isolated gaseous ions. Mx of solid state will give M plus ion in gaseous state plus X minus ion in gaseous state. So in this process of breaking, some amount of energy is required. So this is called lattice energy of Mx of ionic crystal. So Mxs plus energy required will give M plus in gaseous state plus X minus in gaseous state. So this Mx of S is ionic crystal and this energy required is lattice energy, and here the ions formed is isolated gaseous ions. In step 2, in this step the isolated gaseous ions derived from the above equation, that is above process, formed is go into the solvent and interact with their molecule, so that they get surrounded by a definite number of solvent molecules and are converted into solvated ions, which are represented as M of solvent X times X power plus and X of solvent Y power minus. If water is used as a solvent, the gaseous ions are said to be converted into hydrated ion, which are represented as M of water X times power minus, or M of aqueous. Water means aqueous solution, so that AQ power plus, and X of water X times power A plus, or X of aqueous power plus. So the process of solvation or hydration is accompanied by the release of certain amount of energy, that is known as solvation or hydration energy. Here are the equations. Obviously, the process of solvation or hydration is an exothermic process. Thank you.